Before we begin, I'd like to ingeminate something spoken by Dalai Lama, which is in order to carry a positive action, one must develop a positive vision. Hello, folks. This is Akshit, also known as AK,
Hi, this is Aditya, also known as AD.
and we welcome you to the brand new episode of the one and only the AKAD show. Okay,
What's up
Yes.
with today's topic?
what's up with it?
What's
क्या
up?
करना है?
Let us talk about WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. Yes,
WhatsApp. Instagram.
WhatsApp.
Yeah, social media. That's what I meant.
Social media. Okay, cool. Social media. That's what it is.
Yeah.
So,
The first question when this topic comes out is it a good thing or is it a bad thing? I feel this is the most asked question. What are the advantages, disadvantages?
yeah.
Everywhere, like any debate is going on, any like we had in school.
Any conversation.
Any
or
conversation about this topic, it always aims or it always spends first on advantages and disadvantages.
Hmm.
You have any thoughts like what do you feel what advantages it has, or like
I mean, everything has their own ups and downs, and social media also has, it is okay. Anyway, so I think that it obviously is advantageous, and yeah, that's mostly because it brings people closer. Now people cannot make an excuse. All people still make an excuse that we don't have time, but still, to some extent, it brings people closer. It lets people know what exactly is going on in somebody else's life. It gives you a good social connectivity without you actually being present somewhere. You know what your friend who is very far from you is doing, and it all basically just says that it brings social connectivity. And other than that, I think that's it. And
Yeah, well-
obviously disadvantages, it wastes your time if you're not using it properly.
yeah, true.
It hampers your productivity. It hampers your deep work capabilities.
Even I believe that it is like at some point it is really good, like having social connection, friendship. Like even introvert people can be friendly and talk to people without any hesitation, and that's something good point.
Yeah.
Good part of social media. But yeah, again, same productivity. Like there are many contributors online there. Yeah.
And there is a term which is called UGC, user generated content.
Mhm.
Being present on the social media, it gives you, it makes you visible basically. Okay, like it's kind of like it's become like a very natural and a very general thing that people want to come to social media so that they can market themselves. Okay, the traditional forms of marketing are just being
Yeah.
undervalued, or they're just disappearing now, and the concept of media marketing, social media marketing, such things are coming up. So that can be one more advantage, like
Yeah.
it gives you a good it brings you more attention. Okay, you can reach out to a wider audience. You can reach out to your exact group of people that you're trying to target. This is for business people. Okay, this is for the people who are trying to be
Really
getting some trying to trying to find their own something. I mean, this can be for them. But for anyone who's like talented, let's say like a person who is like a good singer, or anyone, like user generated content, right? Whatever you're good at, you're just putting it out. So that gives you a good, anyways, that's
again,
that.
yeah. Again, see, look. No doubt, there's a lot of good content there. A lot of talented people there. But then again, question rises here: are you aware of your own talent while watching others' talent? Like, are you working on your own talent while watching others' talent? Because that's
Right.
when something disadvantages are coming into. Because you're wasting time watching this talent, and it is not bad watching others' talent. But at some point, you're not encouraging yourself to do something. You're not. Like, there's no motivation for yourself. You're just supporting others. Support yourself first. That's what I believe. Like, yeah, it's
I mean, yeah.
addictive. Okay, first part, social media is very addictive. Too much that they designed it in such a way. Once you open it, you're not gonna leave phone until you realize your time.
It gives you
importance of
it gives you a good dopamine hit. Okay, for people who don't know dopamine, I think most people don't know, but still, if you don't know, dopamine is like your feel-good hormone. Okay, it's basically like we are what do you call finding validation from others rather than self-introspection. Because you are in public presence, because there are 100 and so n number of followers you have, they're going to look at your photos, look at your content or whatever you're doing, and they're going to have a they're going to have a figure, they're going to have image of yours, like how you are behind your screen. So they're going to talk about that. Okay, so which is obviously like it comes with it also has its own shortcomings, right? You're doing it for a purpose. Let's say like you're so good at music that you're doing it, but still you cannot what do you call escape from that train where people are trying to chase like, bro, तेरा vocal वहाँ गलत था, bro तू वहाँ सही नहीं गया. Although yeah, you'll have good bunch of people also be like, bro, very nice, you've done great, but yeah.
See, even the content you're watching, those creators have been working on themselves first before they start watching others' content. Okay, they have
right. Self introspection comes there.
Yeah, exactly, it does. And one more thing which I don't like about social media is the unwanted controversies which it creates. No matter what, like the controversies, basically, it is totally unwanted. Okay, see, it just happened. Okay, I don't know there was a game where we used to play, like I don't know the name and I don't remember much about it, but if you remember, there was a game where there is group of people in line standing. I tell you something, you pass on same statement to others.
Chinese whisper.
Yeah, Chinese whisper. So same thing.
Whatever.
Yeah. I guess Chinese whisper. So I tell you the thing, you pass on, but at the end, whole statement changes.
The perceiving, the way it is perceived gets changed. Right.
So that's what happens in social media. There might be something which is unwanted, or there might be nothing. Still, when that passes on, it is going to change. It is going
basically like baat ka batangad. Baat ka batangad. It's like that.
Yeah.
I mean, yes, we should not get on that train of judging people. I think that is where we should hold ourselves, because we know that if someone else does that to us, we'll be like, okay, why you even do it? I mean,
and this is the one of the easiest thing which anyone can do, like judging people.
Yeah.
इतना आसान है यार. ये तो बहुत अच्छा बात करता है, which is very easy to say. Like judging is very easy every time, no matter what. तू क्रिकेट टीम को बोलेगा कि बहुत बढ़िया खेला विराट कोहली, खेला है अच्छा, but and sometimes if he does not play, बहुत गंदा खेला है, क्या ही player है, क्या बोल देगा. But no one tries to understand where he went wrong, what he was trying to do, what situation he was in. So
what was he dealing with, his mental space. I mean, obviously it's a very deep thing that everyone cannot understand what a person is going through. That's very little, but having the empathy to even understand just by considering it, okay, that is where the difference comes. Just being, letting it be like, okay, cool. Just having the empathy, just having that thought, and okay.
Yeah, judging is very easy, but then people need to think about things. Like people, like you might have read many quotes that like जुबान पे लगाम लगा के बात करो, ऐसा लोग बोलते हैं. There are a few like think twice before you talk.
Think twice before you speak.
It does not mean that they're just not talking about the way you're talking or what you're talking. They're also telling what you're posting on Instagram or whatever controversy you're spreading, also about that. Because you're not thinking, if you are even thinking, you're just thinking about controversy. You're not thinking the other angle or other perspective of the controversy. First thing you do when you're on social media, or you're trying to spread any caution, or you're trying to spread any message,
news or anything, like
just search a little bit on that. Think about the other view.
Like have an idea, have a thorough idea what exactly it is, like whatever you're going to like make public, like what exactly it is. If you're putting a story about something very anything that is going around, and then there's like a good bunch of like a good sparks and everything going around everywhere, and then you also take a part in that movement and just post something, and you don't know what exactly is it, right? But that is where you don't know which side you're on, which is right and which is wrong. So just have a thorough idea okay, maybe this is the correct thing, this is the wrong thing.
Yeah, exactly, you're right. And see, we never know what is true. Reality क्या है हमें पता ही नहीं है. we are not telling you to stop keeping news things or awareness or whatever it is, but we are just telling
Yeah.
you, if you
Just
are
be sure.
just be sure about the situation, just be sure about the news, cross check multiple
You
times.
might, yeah, because you might not know how much impact it would create to someone who is like included, or although
Yeah.
it might not even put any relevance. Like, you are a very normal person, and you're posting a story or whatever for a celeb or anyone, and you might not know how will reach him, but
Hmm.
it can, right? There is a good chance. It's a social media thing, it's a circle. You
Hmm.
might not know, like, it can just spark anything. And yeah,
एक
so
चिंगारी पूरे जंगल को जला देती है, just
yeah,
like that, like,
just be sure.
हाँ वो
I
भी
think
अलग.
it's not like you should not post news, or you should not know what is relevant and what is going around. It's just that you should have a clear sense of ki,
Hmm.
is it even worth it? Like, is
Exactly.
it really worth my putting something for it? Like, am I just doing it for the sake of like दूसरों को दिखाना है कि okay, this is me type, or is it in general, it
Yeah.
when I read it, or when I watched it, or when I experienced it, I also felt okay, this is something that I should speak about, or this is something that I should put it.
And social media's at some point is, it can be so bad, it can take your life. Like, there's so many people, अगर एल्टिक्स, बहुत सारे लोग सुसाइड कर लेते हैं यार. लाइक छोटे छोटे बात इतना बुरी तरह से फैल जाता है, छोटी छोटी बात, छोटे फ्रेंड सर्कल, 15 लोगों का सर्कल है, उनसे फैल जाएगा, उन एक एक 15 लोगों के और 15 सर्कल्स, तो ऐसा फैल जाता है. छोटी बात भी इतनी बड़ी हो जाती है that guy won't have any other choice, he does
Or
suicide.
girl,
Yeah.
guy or girl, yeah,
Like,
कोई gender discrimination नहीं.
person, yeah.
Person, yeah.
Yeah. So that person won't have any choice other than suicide. Of course, there is other chance, but that's your mental state, dude. Like, if there is any controversy, read it, just leave it. You can do that. If you feel, if you do research on it, if you really get confirmed confirmation from anyone that हाँ ऐसा हुआ है, then only you go ahead and do something about it. Galat news, fake news is very dangerous. It can take people's life. And we are here on social media. There is a lot of like, people talk about peace and everything. So
Yeah.
we need to maintain that, and this
It's
is one
like
of the way to maintain that peace.
respecting others without living in harmony, basically coexisting in a social
Living in
harmony.
harmony, respecting each other's thoughts, respecting yourself, respecting others. So these all are important things. You just need to understand the situation. Just need to understand what is going around you. You don't need to just upload what you're watching. अगर आपके दोस्त, if you are uploading something about government is doing bad, government is doing good, I don't need to go and upload the same thing just because you're my friend. It does not show our friendship in that way. We don't need to show our friendship in that way, first of all.
Yeah.
So अगर तू करता है भी है, as a guy, as being social media creator or a person on social media, I need to cross check that. Then only I should go, because it is my content which I'm providing people, which I'm sharing with people, and which is very dangerous. And people are very judgmental. Everyone is judgmental. We can't change human
Mindset.
mindsets. We just have to work with everyone's mindset, how people think and all. Sometimes yeah, sometimes no. Like, लोग सोचने का सोचने दो, हम अपना काम जो करना है करेंगे. This way also is, we can't blame this. Yeah, ऐसा भी करना चाहिए. But
this also won't work properly.
थोड़े केसेस में, जैसे अभी सोशल मीडिया लाइक controversies, ये सब, I think this is where you need to take care of your own self-respect or your own and one more thing. Yeah, इस लॉकडाउन में स्टार्टिंग में व्हाट्सएप पे क्या ही चल रहा था भाई. Like, whatsoever, like, any message you eat gobar, you're not gonna get corona.
COVID.